Welcome. If you've ever tried to use a feature that requires your location in the Facebook app on your PC but were held back by permission issues, you're not alone. Today, let's walk through the updated steps to enable location permission for the Facebook app on your PC. It's a super simple process and will only take a minute. First, start by opening the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all the options you need. Once you're in, take a look at the top of the page. There's a row of icons and buttons. Find the three dots. It's usually sitting right at the upper corner. Click on those three dots to expand the menu. After the menu pops up, look for the option labeled App Info. Click on that. This will take you straight to the app's information page, where you can adjust various settings unique to the Facebook app. On the App Info page, you should see the Settings option. Click to enter the settings interface. Once inside, scroll down until you find the section dedicated to permissions. Now, among the list of permissions, locate the one for location. If location access is turned off, you'll see a toggle switch next to it. Click the toggle or the button so it moves to the on position. You may be asked to confirm your choice or allow a pop-up. Just follow the on-screen instructions to grant location access. That's it. Simply close the settings window and return to the Facebook app. With these steps done, features that use your location should now work seamlessly. This update makes it much easier to manage what Facebook can and can't access, putting you in control of your privacy and convenience. Thanks for watching. If this helped, consider checking out more of our step-by-step tutorials for quick tech solutions.